Hello, this is Nikki in Niagara, coming to you from Niagara Falls, Canada. Does this need any words? If, like me, you have seen this box thousands of times being opened on YouTube, I finally bit the bullet, and instead of drooling over all the HOBONICHIs that I've been seeing, I decided to get my very own to drool on in real life. So I have to call out a YouTuber called, I believe it's emmylou.arts, and if that's not correct, I will put it on the screen right here, so that you get it right. But I really wanted to get one of these earlier, but I didn't. But then when I saw that she had bought the one that was the cover, I should say, that was just giving me fits, and I saw her holding it and using it, I just had to have it. So I haven't been this excited about opening anything in quite a while. So here we go. Okay, I'll tell you. I got an A6 and the fixings that I would need for an A6. I didn't get any perfluous items. So there it is. There's the quote that everybody sees. Don't ever lose hope. It's far too important. You know how a pinch of salt changes the whole flavor of a dish? Your hope is that salt. And it says it's from Safety Matches Fireplace Chat. And oh, okay. So let's lift it out. Okay, now I'm stuck. Lift it out of the box. And I'm going to keep that box too. I've seen people showing off their boxes. I'm late to the game, but okay, we'll open up those afterwards. Okay, this is the cover that I just absolutely loved, and this is not from this year. It's from last year, I think. Doesn't have a year on it, but it is called Girl with Red String. And there it is. It's very simple. I was looking at the new ones for this year, and the hide and seek ones are nice, but they're so busy. And I liked the nighttime sky one. It was much simpler, but I liked this better. And I figure some of those will be available next year, and I can pick up one of those if I don't like what they have to offer next year. See, I'm already planning on using this next year, and I haven't even fully opened to my first box. So there's my cover. Actually, this is called a cover on cover. Then the piece de resistance is my cover, and this is called, oh, does it say what it was called? I think it's called something like Summer Blue. Wish they had the names on them. I suppose maybe that does in Japanese. But I just absolutely love orange. Orange is one of my most favorite colors. And orange and blue is a fantastic combination. Oh my God. I didn't realize it was going to feel this good. Here are the bookmarks. Little piece of paper in there. And there. Little card that comes with it, 2019. Okay, so now we want my book. Oh, and here it is. Oh, it's so tiny and it's so cute. Oh. So I got the original because I've seen so many people using these. Excuse me. I've seen so many people using them, like both the English version and the original version, and I couldn't see anything that you needed English for besides the quotes, and that doesn't really interest me because there is English in here as far as I know on some points. So this is the yearly spread. I mean, well, you've seen them all. Yeah, see, the months are in English. The days of the week are in English. I'll go to the daily pages. There's no English on those. Nice. And then at the back there are some blank grid pages. And then I guess these are the pages at the back, which if you're going to use would be suitable to be in English, but tells you it's a timetable, graph paper. Put your favorites, circle the symbol, food, movie, music, reading, shopping, clapping hands, performance, concert, play. Yeah, and these, it's definitely. And it's Coptic bound. You can see that through the spine. Okay, so here's the poster that everybody has been showing. This is my life, and it's a cute little manga. Happy Nothing Special Day! Woohoo! I love that. Okay, so this is your free gift when you buy a cover and book set. You get a pen. Every year they give you a pen, and I believe they're Jetstreams. This is a 3-in-1. It's a nice pen. Jetstreams. I don't think I've ever met anyone who didn't like a Jetstream. Yeah, and this is how I like my multis too. I have an uni what do you call it? I forget what the name of it is. Style Fit. And it's like this too, where you see the color that you're using down there. And the other one would be blue. Cool. And then the other thing that you get is a paperweight. And you've all seen him before, so I'm not going to get him out. But he's called the Not Scary Bear, or the Not So Scary Bear. He does look pretty vicious. Looks like he's being threatened. Okay, so let's put the book together, and then we will open up my accessories that I got. So this should be pretty easy. That goes in there. And this goes in there. Nice snug fit. And then the cover on cover goes on here. That goes in there. That goes in there. And on this side, okay. So let's see what it looks like. Oh yes, I love her. I love her. I love her. I just wish this wasn't a dog. I'm not a dog person. It would have been so funny if, you know, you saw the girl here and she had a great big long string, and then you went around and you looked and it was something funny, like a alpaca or a polar bear or even a pig. But yeah, so then you put your markers in. Put this one at the beginning of the daily pages, though it's not the first. And I'll put this one in at the monthly pages. I guess I've got them crossed. So there she is. See, I got this because of the Tomoe River paper. I'm going to do daily watercolors on here. So it's going to be kind of like a daily art journal for me. On my monthly pages, I'm going to track my blood pressure. And I don't know what else I'll do with the other pages. So let's take a look at the extras that I got. So first off, I got the tabs, and these numbered ones here, they go on these pages here for the beginnings of the months, and the colors match up with what the color is. So 1 is orange, 2 is kind of brownish, maybe yellow ochre even, 3 is violet, 4 is pink, and so on. And then there's some extra ones here, which are, oh, they're muscle men. Those are cute. Yeah, I'm not too sure where those are supposed to go. I might figure out somewhere for them. Then I got the pencil board, or the Oh, I wish I could remember what the official name for these is. I know it begins with Shin. I'm just making it up now. I will learn it. So this is the one I got because, well, if you don't have this one, you have to get it, don't you? It says yes on this side, and it says no on that side. And this is a pencil board. The Japanese use these all the time to put it under their page so that they can write smoothly. And you can do it on either side, write smoothly. But it also has a little tab right there so that you can put it in as a bookmark. Let's, whoops, put it in as a bookmark so that you can turn to where you want to go. Then, what else did I get? Make sure I'm not missing anything here. Okay, I got one more thing. I got the folders. So you get a set of 3 folders. And these are for keeping little notes or receipts or stickers or anything like that in them. They have a little something there. This is my favorite. The little lambs on this side and the alpaca on the back. And there's the kitty. And kind of like the mama. And the puppy. And, well, I don't think that's his mama, but she's somebody, or that could be a papa. And so, these can slide in here. And there. I don't think one's gonna, no, it doesn't go that far. So you can't fit all 3 of them in at once. Should go like that. So then you take your pen and you put her in here. There she is. Or, I've seen some people doing it this way. Everything's a little stiff right now, with it being brand new. But there you go. And put your pen in. And there she is. Now I just want to hug her and kiss her and call her, give her a name. I'm so happy. Alright, so all my peeps out there who love their Hobonichi, give me a thumbs up. And I have joined the club. Thank you so much for watching this, and if you enjoyed yourself, please subscribe, and we'll get down to some nitty-gritty and working in this book this year. So, in the meantime, until next time, bye-bye.